Hello and welcome to Magical Maiden's Reviews. I'm Magical Maiden and today I have an air duster for you. Now, I did one last time, but here's another one. And this is a really good, and this is a bestseller. So this is what it comes with. This is the air duster, okay? And that's the back. It has a screening. Okay, and on the bottom is where you're going to stick a USB port, like this. This is the cord where you will plug it in. Now, many of you may have an outlet that comes with a USB port because many of the products are coming like this right now. If not, there's adapters. You may have both, you may have one or the other. I have both. So this part would go into here, okay? And you will see that it's charging. A light will come on and it will blink, and then when it's done. So when you're charging it up, that's what's going to happen. They'll blink like this until it's fully charged. It will blink like this. And like I said, you put the USB, if you have one of those USB outlets, and if you don't, you can get an adapter and use it in a regular outlet. So that's what it's going to do. Your accessories will come in a bag like this, okay? And that's your on-off. What you're going to do is when you turn this on, hold it, and all these 4 lights will come on, showing you that it's fully charged. Then when you want to shut it off, hold it for 3 minutes till the lights go off, okay? And this will control the on-off of the blowing while it's on. And I'll show you that. This is the only extension they give you, is an accessory, and you will put that on here, and then you can go ahead and go on your computer and get your keyboard. But if you're going to blow other things with this, this is going to work, and I'm going to show you a little bit of what that does right now. So as you can see, all the leaves in front of my door. I live in the woods. This happens. This is so high powered, and it works great. And I'm just scanning it. Look at all those leaves below. Look at all of them. Look at the pile of leaves. It's great for cleaning my patio off without having to get the big hand blower out. When I want those quick cleanups without having to get my leaf blower out. To clean off my patio just using this. I can clean off my chairs, my patio chairs like this. And look. I can clean off the table. So look at all these leaves. Really great if you're having guests over and a few leaves got all over your patio and you just want to do a quick cleanup without having to take your big, heavy leaf blower out. There you go. Now they're all on my steps. Look at this. This is so good. And it's going for a long time. Okay, so this is a compressed air duster, 150,000 RPM, electric air duster. You don't need one of those air cans and you don't have to worry about that. So that saves on expense because all you have to do is charge this up instead of having to order or buy one of those air dusters to clean your computer. I know that when I had one at work, people were always using it on me, and when I needed it to clean my computer and the dust off, it was empty. So you can carry this to work. It's very portable. You could bring it to work. You could stick it in your purse. You could put it in your bag. You could travel with it. It's great. Put it in your car and blow things out of the cracks and crevices, where even if you use a nice professional vacuum or a shop vac at any of the car washes, still don't get those nooks and crannies where dirt is kind of in. Then you could just use this with the little brush and kind of get it out of the nooks and crannies and crevices. So it has a jet fan. It uses a brushless motor, and like I said, the maximum speed can reach 150,000. The top wind speed can reach 54, and the wind force is 180 G. So that's pretty powerful. And it's really great for deep cleaning your computers and other equipment. This rechargeable air duster has a strong wind speed, like I said, and it can be adjusted by sliding the button. So here's the button. So I'm going to turn it on. Hold on. And then you can make it go lower, 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 and then do that, but it's not fully off until you hold this down until all the lights go off. Okay, so that adjusts the air speed. So just remember that, okay? This will adjust your air speed. You turn this on, you have to hold it till all the lights are off when you're shutting it off. And it's such a powerful wind speed that makes it very easy to clean up the dust off of your computer or anywhere really. And the computer duster can effectively clean all kinds of dust, laptops, car interiors, seats. And it could also be used for outdoor, like your picnic, to blow fires, to dry the air, to dry your hair, believe it or not, on pets. And if you don't want the heat on pets, this is cool air, because sometimes pets can't handle that. And when they go to the groomers, they don't really use hot. So you don't really want to use your hair dryer. You can just gently, not have this on full blast, it's not to scare them, and just dry their fur. This air blower is really, really of great quality. I'm telling you, it's super strong. And it's a small size and lightweight, but it really has a large wind speed. And it's easy to carry, comfortable to hold. And I love that the wind speed could be adjusted by the sliding button. So I think this is really of great quality. I would definitely recommend this to anybody looking for a really high-powered, strong blower, whether it be for cleaning off your computer or anything else. And as you saw, I blew some leaves off of the picnic table and other places. It's really great. And when I'm often going out, my patio gets leaves. I live in the woods, there's lots of leaves. I don't want to take out my big hand leaf blower, okay? I want to take out a little thing just to blow off my patio. And I love that it's really fast, easy, and convenient. It's very lightweight. So yes, like I said, it's really of great quality. I definitely recommend it. And you can give it as a gift. It's a great stocking stuffer if you want to get it for the holidays. It's great to have at the office. So if you have some coworkers and you want to give them a gift at Christmas, this is great. And it's also just great for yourself. Father's Day, give it to your dad. Mother's Day, give it to your mother. Or just for yourself. You could buy a few. They're really of great quality. And if you're really looking for something that's high-powered, that'll be easy to use and lightweight, then this would be the great air duster for you. So as I showed you, you saw how well that it blew all those leaves off of my patio. So now I don't have to take the broom out and do that. And the broom does an okay job, but I get leaves like 4 or 5, sometimes 6 times a day that I want to keep off of my front porch. because when people walk in, they bring the leaves. The same with the back of my door. I'm constantly getting leaves. So it's really nice to have this because I always have to get my big leaf blower out, and then my arm hurts, my shoulder hurts, it's so heavy. I prefer this. Instead of grabbing my broom, it's 100 degrees out there. I don't want to have to sweep and stay out there so long. I just put it on I just grab my air duster, put it on the highest speed, and I cleaned off the front of my porch, all the leaves away from my door, and the walkway on the side, and my swing in the front. Then I went out back. So if you've cleaned your patio and it looks nice, and all of a sudden, you know, a little breeze put some leaves all over your patio table and chairs, and you're going to have guests come in a little bit, or you want to sit down for dinner or lunch or whatever, you just want to sit and enjoy yourself. Before people come or before you go out there, you just grab this and clean off your chairs and clean off your table and go ahead and blow it away from your door and off of your patio. It's great. It has that much power. I love this. I'm going to probably be using this every single day a few times to blow off the leaves off of my front and the back. So definitely that's another added bonus. So you saw for yourself how well that worked in getting the leaves off. And I'm telling you, it really saves on my neck and my shoulders having to not use the broom and just go out and use this. So from now on in, that's what I'm doing. So again, like I said, definitely would recommend this. It does more than just clean your computer. So I did that without the attachment blowing the leaves because I didn't need this. This does an excellent job all by itself. And I didn't have to get right up to the leaves either. You have to get somewhat close, but I did it from a distance and I was blowing and clearing leaves. They were flying away because it's a high powered, and I really love it, and I know you will too.